Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are talking all about hair growth. I am finally bringing you guys the results and my thoughts and opinions all about the 3-month hair growth journey that I was on. If you're interested, then definitely stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, we're not wasting any time. We're gonna jump right on into this video. So I started this hair growth journey back in October and I went all the way through the end of January, and I did take a little month off before sharing this video because I wanted to make sure that these products were in stock for you guys if you want to try this 3-month hair growth journey for yourself. And that brings me to Curlsmith. I did use Curlsmith products in order to do this challenge, and I am so thankful to Curlsmith for sponsoring today's video. I love Curlsmith. I've worked with them multiple times. I stand behind their products, and I'm just excited to bring you a little bit of their hair growth line, a little backstory. So the reason that I wanted to even take this challenge in the first place is, if you followed me for a while, you'll remember the video where I showed you guys my protein overload. I had so much hair breakage. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a photo here so that you guys can remember what my hair looked like. It was horrid. I had bleach damage, and then I ended up having major protein overload on top of that, and my hair just completely broke off and was so damaged. So before starting this 3-month journey, I did get a Resos cut to try to cut off some of the damage, and I was really nervous because I did not want a big chop. So I had her cut off as least amount of hair as possible, but still trying to maintain some type of shape. Thankfully, she was able to do that. So at that point, I was like, I want to try and grow my hair out as quickly as I can so that I can chop off the rest of these dead ends and just try to get my hair back to a healthy state. So that is when I decided to start this 3-month hair growth challenge. The products that I used for this 3-month period is the Curlsmith Ultimate Links 30-Day Therapy. This is like a daily supplement. And then I use the Full Links Density Elixir. This is like an oil that you use on your scalp. And then I also use the Curlsmith Scalp Stimulating Booster.
Curlsmith Ultimate Links 30-Day Therapy is scientifically formulated with an exclusive complex that helps nourish thinning hair and promotes existing hair growth from within. They have a blend of powerful natural ingredients including keratin, collagen, biotin, and Opti-MSM. And then we have their Scalp Stimulating Booster. This is a potent daily serum packed with natural stimulating ingredients, and it has 2 clinically proven hair stimulating actives in it. This creates the perfect environment for hair follicles. The directions say to apply this directly to the scalp, but I found like I could get better coverage by actually putting it in my hands and then going in with my fingertips. You want to use this ideally in the morning once a day, and then you massage it evenly throughout the scalp until it's completely absorbed, and you do not rinse this out. Last but not least, we have their Full Links Density Elixir. This again is a potent night serum packed with natural calming ingredients, and this has 5 clinically proven actives that help create the perfect environment for hair follicles. Both of these products are different from traditional solutions, which will stimulate the follicles everywhere in the body. These topical formulas only work where they're applied, so you will not have unexpected hair growth in places you don't want it. This, you apply a few drops to the scalp once daily at night. You massage it into the scalp and you do not rinse it out.
Now that you have heard a little bit about the products that I used and how you use them, let's go ahead and talk about the most exciting part, which is the results that I received from these products. So month 1, I started on 10/27, October 27th, and I ended on 11/27. So that was my first month. And the average person normally has about a ½ an inch of hair growth each month. So just to give you a little bit of a basis, most people get about a ½ an inch of hair growth, okay? The first month that I was taking the supplements and using the topical solutions, my hair grew 1.25 inches. Y'all, I was completely blown away in the first month's hair growth. I could not believe that my hair grew that much in 1 month. Now, the first month, I can't say that I saw increase in like the density or thickness of my hair, but I definitely noticed a huge difference in the length of my hair. Moving on to month 2, I started on 11/27 and then I ended on 12/27. And then the second month I got 0.875 inches of hair growth. So quite a bit more than the average, which is a ½ inch, but quite a bit less than the first month that I was taking the supplements and the products. So I had that like bam, that first like big increase in the hair growth, and then it kind of dropped down that second month. So I was still so impressed with the amount of hair growth that I got that second month. And in the second month is where I started to feel like I was seeing a little bit more in the way of density of the hair. What I did notice is that the products, especially like the scalp stimulating booster, I felt like whenever I used that, it definitely made my hair feel a lot thicker at the root, and it made my hair just appear thicker all over whenever I would do the scalp massages with the scalp stimulating booster. Moving on to the third month, which started 12/27 and ended on 1/27/21. So January 27th is when my 3-month was over. Once again, I had exactly the same amount of hair growth as the second month, 0.875 inches of hair growth in that third month. So once again, I was very, very impressed with how much my hair grew. It was still growing more than the average ½ inch a month, you know, so I was definitely still seeing a big increase in the length of my hair, and I definitely did start to see a difference in the density of my hair in the second and third month as well. So as you can see by the pictures and the video clips, I had huge success with these products, and I am so glad, because it really did prevent me from having to get that big chop at the beginning when my hair was super damaged. It allowed me to grow my hair out longer very quickly, and I wasn't growing it out just to have long hair. I was growing it out so that I could grow out that damage and chop it off so that I could have the same, essentially the same length hair that I had before, but healthier. Of course, I didn't trim my hair or anything during that time because I wanted to see how much my hair would grow with these products. But as soon as I was finished with the challenge, I did go ahead and trim all of those dead ends off, and I am so happy with how my hair looks, how it feels. It feels so much healthier. This challenge definitely prevented me from having that big chop, so I'm so thankful for that. Would I recommend these products? 1000% yes. I mean, I can definitely attest to the benefits of them. They worked for me. I felt like they were very easy to use. Everything just worked really well for me, so I have no complaints at all. If you are someone that is looking to grow your hair out quicker, or you're just wanting longer, thicker hair, I would highly recommend checking these products out. And Curlsmith does have a bundle on their website. I wish I had a discount code for you guys, but unfortunately I don't. But they do have a bundle that includes all 3 of these products together. You don't have to use all 3 together, but of course they do work in conjunction with one another. So if you want the best results possible, then use all 3. And for right now, I've actually ran out of the supplement, so I'm not taking the supplements right this second, but I'm still using both of the topical solutions, the Density Elixir and the Scalp Stimulating Booster, and I'm still absolutely loving those. I am just thrilled with my results. And that is it for this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about any of these products, let me know. Leave them in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer those questions for you. And yeah, I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.